What if the secret to jaw-dropping macro shots wasn't a $600 lens, but a $10 piece of glass you screw onto the one you already own? Sounds too good to be true, but close-up filters have been photography's best-kept secret for decades. And today, 5 of the best ones you can actually buy right now. Stick around because number 1 might completely change how you think about macro photography. Links are in the description. Let's get into it. Number 5, Cokin P102. For photographers who already own a square filter system and want maximum flexibility. Instead of screwing directly onto your lens, it slots into a holder, meaning you can swap it between lenses of completely different sizes without buying separate adapters for each1. That versatility is genuinely useful if you shoot with multiple lenses regularly. The catch? You'll need to buy the holder and adapter rings separately. The diopter strengths, +1, 2, and 3, are each sold individually too. Upfront cost adds up fast. Smart pick for square filter loyalists. Clunky, expensive entry point if you're starting from scratch. Number 4, NiSi Close-Up Lens Kit. Here's where things get technical. In the best way, NiSi builds this filter with double optical corrective glass and an apochromatic design specifically to fight color fringing, something budget filters often ignore completely. It's also compatible with telephoto and zoom lenses in the 70 to 300 mm range, which most close-up filters simply can't handle. That opens the door to genuinely striking compressed macro shots you won't get anywhere else. Trade-off is price sits well above entry-level options. Thread sizes it directly fits are limited without adapter rings, but for sharp, fringe-free detail on longer lenses, this is a genuinely specialized, well-engineered tool. Number 3, Hoya HM-C Close-Up Lens Set. Hoya built its reputation on optical coatings, and it shows here. Over 97% light transmission, translating to noticeably better contrast and more accurate color than cheaper alternatives. Multi-coating fights, reflections, and ghosting. Images stay crisp even in tricky lighting. +1, +2, and +4 diopter strengths. Thread sizes from 49 all the way up to 82 millimeters. Not the cheapest set here. Depth of field gets razor thin at higher magnifications. Shoot with a narrower aperture. But if optical quality is non-negotiable for you, Hoya delivers exactly that. Number 2, Vivitar Close-Up Macro Filter Set. This is where absolute beginners should start. Under $10, 4 diopter strengths, +1, 2, 4, and 10. An enormous range of magnification options to experiment with. Broad thread size selection. Good chance it'll fit whatever lens you already own. Yes, glass quality won't rival premium brands. Sharpness takes a noticeable hit at the highest magnification. But you also get a genuinely surprising 15-year warranty and a simple carrying pouch if you just want to test whether macro photography excites you before spending real money. This is the lowest risk way to find out. Number 1, Tiffen Close-Up Lens Set. Tiffen earns the top spot by nailing the balance between quality, versatility, and price. Filters stack together seamlessly, letting you combine +1, 2, and 4 diopters to dial in exactly the magnification you need for any subject. Build quality feels genuinely premium, right down to the leatherette pouch it ships in. A nice touch that cheaper competitors skip entirely. Thread size availability is massive, covering everything from 37 all the way up to 77 millimeters. Only real downside? No +10 option like some rival kits. But for dependable, stackable, trusted brand glass without paying premium kit prices, Tiffen is the smartest all-around buy on this list. 5 filters, 5 ways to get closer to your subject without draining your bank account. Which one matches your setup? Let me know in the comments. If this helped you shop smarter, hit like, subscribe for more honest gear breakdowns every week, and I'll see you in the next one.